Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Inu Killer token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on my channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff and you would like crypto, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we just want to go over to our Trust Wallet and open that up. Now, once we're in our Trust Wallets here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate videos and tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things. But I'm going to already assume that you have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet and that it's in your Smart Chain wallet. So if you guys have your BNB inside of your BNB wallet right here and you don't know how to transfer it to your Smart Chain wallet, you just want to go ahead and click on BNB. Click on more, and then right here at the bottom where it says swap to smart chain, you want to go ahead and click on that to transfer the BNB that you want to use to swap into the Inu Killer token. So once you guys are good to go and you have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallet, all we have to do now is just get the contract address from BSC scan, and I'll have a link in the description over to BSC scan for the contract address. So if you guys just go ahead over that link, it'll show you right here to BSC scan, and all we have to do is scroll down on this page and you'll see the contract right here. So we can just click on this little copy button beside contract. Then we can head back into Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet here, we just want to go to the top right of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles, and just go ahead and click on that. And once we're here, we just want to go to the top search bar and click on that and just paste that address in. Now we'll see this add custom token option here. So we just want to click on the add custom token option. And then the network, we just want to switch it from Ethereum over to Smart Chain. We could paste our contract address in, and then everything else should pre-fill in for us. Once we see everything pre-filled, we can just click on save in the top right corner. And then right here, we are now ready to go over to our exchange. So I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description as well as in the comment section. So you guys just head over to PancakeSwap and I'll show you guys what to do next. And once we're on PancakeSwap here, all we have to do is go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once we click on Connect Wallet here, we just want to click on Trust Wallet. So we just go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And then right here, we're going to have to click on Trust Wallet one more time. So you just want to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet one more time. And then it's going to open up in our Trust Wallet here with a connection screen. So once you guys see this connection screen right here, you want to go ahead and click on Connect, then head back over to our PancakeSwap. Now, once we're back in PancakeSwap, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. Now, for whatever reason, if you guys don't see your balance of BNB right here, you just got to make sure that your BNB is in your Smart Chain wallet or else it will not show up here. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Currency. And once we do that, we want to paste that same address that we got from a BSC scan right inside of our PancakeSwap right here. And then we should see the Inu Killer token. So we just go ahead and click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. And to change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go to the side where it says Exchange, where you see the little settings gear, and click on that. Now for this token, I didn't see any distinct slippage tolerance, unfortunately, but I would at least start off with 10% for this one. You guys can try with less if you would like to, but usually these tokens are around 10% to 12%. But yeah, you guys can go ahead and try whatever slippage tolerance you would like, and then you can exit out of here. And then now all you have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the Killer Inu token. So you just go ahead and put 1 BNB, for example, and then it will show you the amount that you'll get in exchange. Now, if you guys are happy with whatever you put in here as the exchange, you just want to go ahead and click on the swap button below where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on swap right there, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you guys your fees and your swap fees and things like that. So if you guys are happy with that there, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time, and then it should give you a successful transaction notice. Once you see that notice here, we can exit out back into our Trust Wallet, and the token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Inu Killer token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.